So we have to remove this door panel, which is very easy. All of you DIYers can do it yourself. We have to remove this plastic trim here and this plastic trim in order to get to the screws. So the first thing is here, you gotta kind of push this piece to the side, but don't use a screwdriver, use something like this. So inside there's a tool on the side, pop it, and now you can just pull with one hand, and this whole plastic piece will come out. Just keep pulling. And here, this end right here, it's like slides out. Now look here, you have screw in there and one in there. Also we gotta pop this trim. Put something sharp here and this comes out very easily. This is our third screw, which is Phillips head screw. Set your panel pieces on the side. Get your Phillips head screwdriver. Let's start with this screw right here. Remove this one. Then go to the one here. It's kind of deep in there. And I feel it's almost out. This is a very long one. I'll move to the lower one. There's two, one here and one here. So now when we remove this screw, this one and this one, now we have to pop the panel. Keep going, pop. Go on the bottom here. All right, so this part is loose, as you see here. So is this one. Now we're just going to lift this panel up. See, I'll lift it up. Okay, so this door panel is loose now. Now we're going to look at the connectors right here. See right there. You can just remove this. So as you see here, the green one, cable comes out, and then the white one comes out. Then there's a connector right here on the window regulator. There's a button on the side. You just push it and pull it out. This part right here. And then there's one more here. And that's it. Door panel is removed, but remember, just push these little pins right here and right here. When you remove this door panel, make sure you don't lose these white plastic pieces right here. See, they go all around perimeter here. Make sure they're there, and then the little plastic, almost like a rubber piece here too. Make sure it's all here. See, they're all here.